Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your CD key on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Library. This is where all your installed and purchased games are stored. Now before we continue, here's an important note you need to know. Steam usually does not show CD keys for most modern games anymore, like Dota 2, Counter-Strike 2, and many other recent titles. This is because most games now are directly tied to your Steam account and don't require separate activation keys. However, some older games and certain third-party titles still use CD keys, so let me show you how to check. Here's how it works. In the left panel where all your games are listed, right-click on the game you want to find the CD key for. Keep in mind, as I mentioned, not all games will have this option available. After right-clicking, hover your mouse over Manage. A sub-menu will appear on the side, and if the CD key option is available for that particular game, you'll see it listed there. Simply click on it and you can copy the key that appears. Alternatively, here's another way to find your CD key if the first method doesn't work, or if you prefer checking your purchase history. In the upper right corner of Steam, click on your username. This will open a drop-down menu where you should select Account Details. You'll be taken to your account information page. Once you're there, look at the right panel and click on View Purchase History. This section shows all the games and items you've purchased through Steam over time. Although I don't have any purchase history right now, I'll walk you through what the next step would look like. As I mentioned earlier, Steam usually does not show CD keys for most modern games anymore, so you might not find keys for every game in your library. However, if a CD key is available, you can click on the specific game from your purchase history to view your CD key or product key. The key will be displayed on the screen, and you can copy it from there. Once you have your CD key, make sure to save it somewhere safe, like in a text file or note on your computer. This way you'll have it stored for future use in case you need to reinstall the game or activate it on another platform. And that's it! You've now learned 2 different methods to find your CD key on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.